welcome back to
Is it
our
all
video.
over there?
So you guys can hit thumbs up. And we're doing slime. We got the activator, then we get the balls and the glue. So let's get started. Let's go. Alright, we're in my room. The parents are back. She's are starting. She's too sad.
Okay. And you go online, and as you click, it'll tell
I
you
got yellow.
this may be missing,
got-
that may be missing.
Oh, and we got
As long as it's
some
minor
PVUs.
for
Yep.
downstairs
Yeah, I got this slime.
or anybody.
Do you want to turn on the
What's
light?
wrong with it?
Nothing.
Nothing?
That's what we thought. We're like, okay, we're gonna get this. Something's gonna be missing.
Right.
Brand new. Brand freaking new.
And we just,
Okay.
that's mine real
They
quick.
have furniture,
That's gonna
they
make
have
one on my
couches,
video
I
at
mean,
my
there's
house.
all kind of crazy stuff on
I'm
there.
gonna save some for my house. We can take this stuff over there and do it on my
Yeah, my
videos.
girlfriend, she was
But
doing
you
it
can
for a
bring
while.
your-
She was buying a bunch of baby stuff.
I'm not allowed to bring my dad's phone over here.
Mom's.
Okay,
Selling it for
my
$1.
dad's.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
With treadmills.
Probably enough. I'm gonna go get a spoon.
That's cool.
Give me two.
Definitely check that out.
So we forgot the spoons.
Easily.
Yeah, I mean, they're so comfy. I love them.
I know, it's so
Use the
comfortable.
You can't get these, you know.
Alright.
You know, they'll tell
Make
you
sure you don't
usually
add that
too,
much.
average price $300-$400. So some people go for some other, you know, some stuff.
So you
but
bid
You bid
like
on it. Like me and Michael will say, okay, and you can set
Do
your
you
max.
bid online
Yeah.
and then you
Or
order
you
to
like
pick
if
it up?
there's an
Or
item, yeah. If there's,
Hi, guys,
and
I
you
got
can
a
actually like they'll
clear
tell you
straw.
there's a day.
It's really
say
clear.
auction day is Thursday. If you want to go
I want to
on
add a little bit of
Tuesday,
this yellow in
you
it
can
too.
review the
you can see
stuff.
it first before you
Yeah.
go.
You can go and just walk through and say, okay, and you look at the number. I mean, it's a pain in the ass to like go through and find the numbers.
In
and
my
try to
video,
search
check
to
out
make
my
sure
videos.
it's
We're gonna be
there.
doing slime
But for the most
too.
part, you can go up and look and say,
Yeah,
okay, and
pretty
mark
soon
down what
after
you
we're
wanna
done
go
with
for.
this.
And then
And we're
when you
going to
click
play
on
with our dollhouse.
it'll
We're
say
going to be
what's your
making
highest
videos a
bid,
lot
max
together.
bid. So that way, if you have something to go
Lexi,
do,
come over.
it'll take your, if somebody's bidding on
Guess what? It's gonna be,
it'll
it's gonna
automatically
snow,
put your bid up,
so we
and
can go
then
outside together
you'll
and
get
show
a
down a
notice.
video.
If they've reached your max bid, it'll come to your phone and say, hey,
Or
you
maybe
want another bid.
Or maybe we can come. You can come over and we can have a snow white
Oh,
fight.
this is doing
good already.
We spend.
Yeah, guys, it's starting to form.
This one was the cheapest, and I think this one was just because
Not yet, but
there was
it's
no
starting to.
pictures.
I'm adding
Like,
barely
it just
like
said
any
rug,
in mine.
And nobody, there was no pictures.
Hers
and
is
when
starting
we
from
went to
two.
the warehouse, it was so bundled up.
Like,
You couldn't see
we
the
can only make a
color.
little bit for
And
mine.
Michael was
Because
able to at least
in
get
my
a rug
videos,
on
and
it.
I'm going to add a
$25
little bit orange
if
too.
it's like one of these rugs.
Right?
Should we get green too?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna go
Get
get
it,
that
and
one.
we'll make it work.
We'll make it
So
work
this
somewhere,
one, I
yeah.
told him, like,
Because
this
we
is the
have
color
green
we're
too.
kind of-
She's
this
gonna
is
get.
what we're gonna do our this color here is what we're doing in our basement, and now we're gonna go over that.
Oh,
So
okay.
I said that can go
Nice.
downstairs then.
Yeah.
Right, I said and then we could do.
We're doing videos together all the time.
I said so, and then the other two.
And we're not going to fight anymore, right?
Yeah.
Because we're gonna. Oh, that's a light green. The glitter makes it turn darker, makes it look darker. What you have to do with glitter glue, you have to add a lot of activator pretty much. Alright, now I'm going to add a little bit
But it
green.
was, the gray was instead of the blue. That's what I had in my living room, and the dog freaking, and I paid,
Pee all over
$200 for it. That's a lot for big
Why are you
ones.
adding
And it
glitter
wasn't
in
even half
there?
the size,
Huh?
it wasn't even
Why are
as
you
thick.
putting your
But,
slime in there?
The dog.
Not.
Yeah, like
Literally,
there's
it was fine to throw it away.
So guys, it's not turning out very good. Guys, it's
Yeah.
starting to fart. Fart.
Oh, yeah, to scrub out.
Starting to fart. It's starting to form to mine. Like,
What's your YouTube channel name? I couldn't find it.
I don't know on my YouTube. It's sticky, it's getting all over me. Guys, what did you stuff? It looks electric scooter.
Okay, mine is probably going to be a fail, but maybe in the next video, in my video today later, it's going to be better. Maybe.
We don't know. We might do over here, but
Well, I'm not allowed to be in my dad's phone.
but can we do it later?
No. Still can't. Oh, mine's starting to form too now.
Should I go in my hands, guys?
Maybe. on my video, comment down below if you want me to do it going with my hands right away. Because I'll do it if you want me to.
And comment down below if we should do, like, you guys can choose what.
How about we do this? Do you have a spin wheel? Oh, how about we do Siri? Siri does my slime challenge.
What's that?
Siri, like, you have to ask Siri questions like, Siri, what should be the ingredient in my slime?
Hey, guys.
What?
Guys, I'm going to say hands. It's starting to
Oh, I'm going to show you my other slime that I made the other day.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And look. And it's really good. Like, look.
Well, don't take it out.
It's really sticky.
Yeah.
Like, it's like toothpaste slime.
Kind of. Yeah, check out that video on my
My Angel too.
my channel. And
Maybe we can do it today too.
yeah, we'll do that one maybe at her house. Maybe we can do another video on my
Maybe
channel.
we should do it right now after we do these.
Yeah, and then we can go to my house to make some
Then we
slime
can.
with this.
Then we're going to play with our dollhouse with you guys.
Yeah, well, we do a lot of videos in one day for some reason.
Yeah, and we're going.
Check out my video with Star.
And
Link will be down in the description for my channel.
maybe Star can come over if she comes over to your house.
Yeah, we did challenges on my video with Star. Comment down below if you know Star. She's in Mrs. Hammond's class at North Middle School.
Comment down below if you go to North. Comment down below if you go to
Hashtag Lexi Squad.
I am trying to add a lot of glue so I can make a
Lexi,
big
we're gonna have to save it though. We have to save it for the other one.
I am trying to make a big sign. Like a medium
You're gonna
sign.
make more slime in my video, so you don't really have to right now.
Like, look at that, guys.
You can add more in the other one. Okay, this is mine so far.
And this is mine so far. It's like turning like a greenish color. And guys, comment down below if we comment down below if we should prank my brothers.
Ooh, mine too. When my brother gets home, we can scare him. I got a bunch of costumes, Lexi. Comment down below if you want to see that in a little bit.
And watch, there's like stuff creepy. If we see it, we will get you guys on it. So you guys, if you live by, what's it called, Alexia? Bearberry Road, you know to stay inside. So if your parents go out there with you, it's okay. And if they watch you, it's okay too. Right now we're inside because it's freezing, and on Saturday it's supposed to rain.
It's supposed
Supposed to snow. Do you think mine's foamy?
Foamy?
Should we add lotion now?
Maybe. Okay, mine is very bad right now.
Who is it? Mom?
It's me. Are you guys making it?
No.
Yes.
Not working?
No.
Not really.
If you add too much activator, it just goes back down to glue.
Is that what it does?
Yeah, see?
Mine's for
It
me.
was slime for a minute, and then
Hello.
Oh.
it was black.
So I told Tom he's gonna get me in trouble because he wouldn't take anything from me. He said I was literally here 20.
Yeah, guys. Ours is not for
Yeah,
me.
but I'm saying he wouldn't take anything from me. He said I was here for literally 20 minutes. I said, Tom, I'm gonna get.
So we're going to keep mixing.
Okay, we're gonna try the slime, toothpaste slime, in a minute.
So
Well,
let's
after
try.
this video, so.
So we're going to do it here. But if this
And then
doesn't
we're
work,
gonna go to my house and
Yeah.
use.
then we're
and
going
then
to come
make it one
back.
of my.
Then we're going to do 2 at her house. And then we're going to go back to mine. And we're
And then
going
we'll do challenges
yeah. And we're going to do pranks after at her house.
for my brother when he gets home because he's at his friend's Perkins. If you comment down below if you know Brecken, if you go to Powers school for them. She goes to Powers on that Nord.
They like
Yeah,
Browns.
they do.
I like Steelers. They like Browns. I like Steelers. Everybody likes Steelers.
No, they don't.
All right. Should we close out this video, guys, so we can make the toothpaste slime?
And then we're going to my house. So comment down below if you want to see that one.
The toothpaste slime. Should we add like some of this in there?
No.
A little bit.
Have you heard anything about work?
I know.
Have you heard anything about work?
Okay, I want to add a little bit activated to this one.
Did they decide?
So I can take it out and show everybody.
So this is like her color slime.
Mm-hmm.
And it's
Really nice blue.
She's
Kind of color.
should we add it?
You can.
It could work.
Maybe.
Are they giving you a hard time?
I already got enough, so I don't want to really make any more.
Guys, I think it's starting to form now.
I'm going to do an Instagram swirl. Comment down below if you know what that is.
So I'm going to should we make a slime bubble first?
Yeah, let's make a slime bubble.
So I got this.
Wait, whoa. We got to do it on the table. Okay,
We gotta crunch it up
Yeah.
first.
okay.
Can you guys see that?
Then you can just wait for another break.
It made it ring.
Break this heat.
Alright.
Just make sure there's no water coming in.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I made one the other day. I'm gonna move all this to the side.
We're going. Did you guys see that? It's really good.
You got it all over my pants.
I don't care. I got pants.
See, watch. Got like all over me.
Oh no.
Today in
Did
school.
it work?
No.
Still no?
We're making one at my house.
And we're making toothpaste slime.
Yeah. This toothpaste slime would definitely work though.
Yeah, cause I tried it and
Why, what did you make with that green one you have? Toothpaste?
No.
I throw it away.
No, I'm asking her, which one did you make with that?
I just made glue with it.
Just glue that one?
Yeah. I made a YouTube video on mine about toothpaste slime.
See, I thought, that's what we were trying to make it, but it seemed like every time we tried something with this glue, it just
Regular
wouldn't work.
glue works way better. Because glitter glue doesn't work that good.
See, I told you, Lex, we're gonna have to get regular glue.
Yeah, you promised me when we went to the store.
Well, maybe next week, since we might not be going to Iowa, we'll go to the
Why?
store. Because Peyton's sick.
Alright, one. Wait, let's get her straight. Wait, where? Let's
Okay.
listen. Alright.
Okay. You gotta stretch it out.
1,
2.
Oh! It made a couple bubbles. Guys, it made a couple
All
bubbles.
over me.
We should make a big one.
I'm gonna add a little bit more activator to it.
Yeah, let's add a little bit. 'Cause it's getting sticky.
Okay.
Good? Yeah. Alright, we're gonna mix
Okay,
this.
I'm gonna add a little bit more of this in it.
So I am mixing this up. Yeah, lotion helps too, Mom.
Yeah, it makes it crunchy.
Yeah, lotion makes it crunchy.
What?
This
Lotion.
is baby lotion though.
Oh, baby lotion.
Yeah. Here. I'm gonna just add some shampoo. The baby shampoo.
You guys are crazy with that slime.
It's fun to play with. No moms like it pretty much though.
My grandma hates it. She
My
said,
mom hates it. That's why I'm barely allowed it. I gotta knead it so it doesn't turn hard.
Alright, ready?
I gotta knead it real quick.
Why?
So it doesn't turn hard. Because it feels like it's turning hard. Yeah, I put a lot of this in it. It makes it sticky.
Alright. We're going to close out this video. We're going to...
Ew. Oh, that's my slime that you put in it. I was like, what is that? That's like, ew. It smells good too once you do that. And you push that in it.
Guys,
Can you invite me over when you get the regular glue?
Mom, can we invite Alexia over too?
What?
Can we get some glue for Alexia too so we can make it together?
What, when we go to the store?
Yeah.
I don't care.
Guys, that's what I add in from Alexia's. And it's like,
Yeah, and she put it in her slime.
now it's,
Yeah, we'll get some stuff since we're, like I said, since we're not going to,
how do you know we're not going?
because Dad said with Peyton having his surgery on Tuesday or procedure Tuesday.
I thought Noah was getting surgery.
Noah's doing his Wednesday.
This Wednesday?
Same day, the day before Peyton has his done.
Why are they both in? They're like both in the same day. So, like this is slime, Mom. It's Alexia's slime that I add. It's sticky. Alright, I am washing hands. We're going to close out this video. But first we're going to make a slime bubble. Then we're going to clean up our hands, and then we're going to make the
Toothpaste.
yes, toothpaste.
So you guys are going back to your house?
No.
I
What
don't
do we
think I
hear?
have toothpaste.
Yeah, we do. I have toothpaste. Alright, so
Then we're gonna make some at my house and do
Yeah,
some
we're gonna make some
challenges
at
at my
hers.
house.
Okay.
We're gonna close this video out real quick in a minute until Lexi gets back, and then we're gonna make a slime bubble. Then we're gonna close out this video. Hers looks kind of weird.
Alright, guys.
It's stringy. This is like butter slime, kind of.
Alright,
Okay.
so
Okay.
wait, let's make my slime so they don't.
Okay, take that side. Okay.
This one's going to be perfect.
1, 2. Oh! Oh, that's loud. I want to add a little bit more of this in it.
Like, I like to blend it.
Oh, wait. Oh, that was so close to make it right in that.
I need it right in. Today we have library.
I had, today I had computer. Okay, I'm going to go put this bowl away.
Alright, can you give me a new bowl too? Put that bowl away too. Now, can you take these out
Yeah.
and get us a new bowl?
We can use this. And
Can you get us a new bowl
Where's your bowls like that you just bought?
upstairs?
Well, why don't you go get those since you have them made for slime?
How about we give me some and we can we split this?
no.
Please?
No. Yeah, here, can
We can both have the
I'll
same
split
amount.
it. Okay.
So I'll go get some containers. I get the blue one. I call the blue one. Where's my blue?
Where are they at?
Oh, found one. Alright, Alexia, this one's mine. It's mine and I'll go get you some. One.
Okay.
She's giving it, let me have her.
Okay. I'm gonna I'll see you on my channel too. So we're gonna close out this video in a minute.
Alright.
We're gonna make toothpaste slime video. Then we're going to my house. And
Yeah, we're
going
doing
to
two.
make
We're doing
slime
two.
there.
Okay, so what one do you want? I want to take these out.
I want this one. No, I want this one. I want this one.
You can dump them out.
It's hard to open.
Here. Here's your container. Here's mine. So I got the blue. She got the orange.
Kind of matches.
My slime does. Can you give me a little more?
No. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's go with toothpaste.
alright, let's go make this toothpaste now. And we're going to get new containers. What color do you want? Yellow or green?
The green.
Alright. I got yellow, I guess, now.
Don't dump them on the floor.
No, I'm dumping in this little container. See? I have my yellow Easter
Oh,
basket.
okay.
Alright. See? Okay. So we're gonna make the toothpaste. So bye guys. Say bye, Alexia.